Imagine scientists running an experiment they've repeated thousands of times, and suddenly something tiny but impossible happens. Not an oops, someone bumped the machine kind of mistake, but a result so strange that the laws of physics themselves don't fully explain it. That's exactly what's happening right now in particle physics. An anomaly, a weird mathematical hiccup in nature, is making researchers wonder whether we've just found evidence for a fifth fundamental force of the universe. Four forces shape everything you see. Gravity keeps your feet on the ground, electromagnetism runs every gadget you own, the strong force holds the atomic nucleus together, and the weak force allows particles to decay. These four rules have guided physics for decades, and they work beautifully, until they suddenly don't. Here's the strange part. In a recent high-precision experiment, scientists measured how certain particles decay, basically how they fall apart into smaller pieces. According to our best theories, these decays should be perfectly symmetric, equal outcomes in every direction. But that's not what the detectors saw. Instead, they recorded a small but persistent preference, like flipping a coin and watching it land on heads just a little too often. Not enough to panic, but enough to say, okay, something's up. Now, scientists love anomalies, because when nature misbehaves, it might be revealing something new. And one idea gaining attention is the possibility of a previously unknown interaction, a brand new force acting behind the scenes. If that's true, then some tiny invisible particle could be nudging the results just enough to throw off the symmetry. Think of it like a faint draft in your house. If all the windows are shut but the curtain still moves, something unseen is messing with the system. Of course, we can't jump to conclusions. There are boring explanations too. Maybe the detectors need recalibration. Maybe some subtle background interference wasn't counted. Science is slow and careful for a reason. You don't rewrite textbooks because of one weird number. You collect more data, test again, and try your hardest to break your own theory before claiming a breakthrough. So what happens next? Several labs are now preparing independent tests to see if they can replicate the anomaly. If they confirm the same pattern, the same deviation, the same suspicious imbalance, then things get exciting fast. That's when theorists start building new models, new particles, and yes, new forces to explain what the universe is trying to tell us. For now, we're in the most interesting phase, the mystery phase. Something strange is happening. Maybe it's nothing, or maybe, just maybe, it's the first clue that there's more to reality than the four forces we've grown up with. Science isn't just about answers. It's about noticing when the universe whispers something unexpected and choosing to listen.